Oh shit. I almost lost my pole. Dang, that was hella fast, yo. Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm getting on mine too.
Well, yours is slow though.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
You got it? Slow?
Pretty sure I got it.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, he's pulling on it still.
Oh yeah? I got mine too. You want to grab the net?
Yep.
Let's see what you got. Oh, yo. Oh shit, look at that. Double action. Where's yours?
Oh, right here.
Oh, you got a catfish?
You got a catfish too?
I got a catfish. Catfish galore. Nice.
I thought yours was
I know. But mine is not. You got him or you need help? Wow, double the action, yo. Look at that. Got it? Don't worry about that thing. Oh yeah, yo. Oh, you on now. You are on fire. Nice. Nice. Okay, grab the get the bobber.
Oh.
I got this.
Okay.
I'm getting a bite too, so. Sure. I think he got it. Oh yeah.
Got it?
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Oh, you want the net? There you go. Yeah.
That's cool. Shoot. Leave him in there. Okay. This guy's little. Should I let him go? I think I should just let him go. Alright, you're too small. I'll let you live. I'll let you live. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby.
Oh, I think you are.
Oh, I got him though.
Yeah, cool. Are you good either with mine up?
No.
I think you're like on the line. As long as I'm
Oh. Yeah, you reel you up. Am I on your line?
I can't tell. No, I don't think you are anymore.
Oh.
That's a good size.
Oh shit. Oh, yo.
Ooh. Ayo, okay.
Oh, getting that one too? Yeah.
Try to. I got it.
Alright. Oh.
Oh yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Oh yeah, I did.
The net is behind you. Nice. Oh, that's a beautiful one. Slow down, you hooked the boy. Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
Oh,
Oh,